Welcome to the Compressor Guru. Today we have 3 episodes back to back to back, and we will explore a solution to a problem you may be having with water in your oil. We're also going to show a few things at Quehanna Millworks that they have wonderful products in millwork and flooring. And we also are going to do the last video of the year 2022 with some help from our friends Brooks and Dunn. We don't really know them, but I love their music. So we're going to have a little collage of what we've been doing for the last month and a half. So let's get to work. What we have here is a 2545 at Quehanna Millworks. Check the address. Mr. Bluebell is a great guy to deal with and get your hardwood flooring, molding, and all those great things that come from Pennsylvania hardwoods. Quehanna Millworks. Anyway, Mr. Bluebell's a 1 or 2 man operation, and this compressor is capable of so much more air than it makes. So it cycles very little. When it cycles very little, he gets water in the oil because the oil never reaches to dew point and it condensates water, drops a drop of water in. So the solution we came up with was to put this valve and cap in a drip leg setup. And this is first thing Monday morning, folks. And what the operator does, he shuts the machine down on Friday afternoon, opens that valve, and if you've ever shaken up salad dressing, you'll know what I'm talking about. Oil and water separate. When oil and water separate, the oil goes to the top, the water goes to the bottom. So this machine has had the whole weekend to cool down and let the water drop down to the lowest point. And what we're going to do now is we're going to close that valve to keep the oil in. We're going to take that cap off and we're going to let a couple drops of water out. We're going to go off camera, get the bucket and wrench. So we put our bucket underneath. We'll loosen the cap. Brand new Nipex. It was a Christmas present to myself. I love them. And take the cap off. Try not to drop the cap in the bucket like I usually do. See how that was a little bit milky. So we got a little bit of, just a little bit of water out of that. And we're going to drop the rest of the oil out, and we're going to do it on camera. We're here to do an oil change. And it cleared up pretty good. So he didn't have a lot of water in that one. But if you have a compressor that's getting milky oil, put yourself an elbow, or put yourself a pipe coming out like this, elbow down, put a valve on, another nipple, and a cap. And then on the weekend, run it through the week, run it with the valve shut. On the weekend when you're getting ready to leave work, open that valve. And Monday morning, come in, close the valve, take the cap off, and drop your water out, check your oil, go back to work. And close your valve for the week. On the weekends, open the valve, and that way you won't have an accidental spill, and you'll get the water out in the morning. This is the Compressor Guru. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day. Check the description for the information on Quehanna Millworks. Great people to deal with. Bye.